What you are going to watch is a gear breakdown of what Eric uses to shoot wedding films. Please note that none of these things are sponsored. He has purchased these things himself and just wants to share how they are utilized. Viewer impulse buying discretion is advised.
In this video, I go over the lights that I use to shoot my wedding films. See, but the thing is, I only use 2 of the same lights and 2 stands for those lights. See, this isn't a review. I just want to talk about why I chose these, how I use these, and show some examples. This is the 3rd video in a gear breakdown series where I go over all the gear I use to shoot wedding films, and it's all in preparation for some behind the scenes videos coming in the near future. So without further ado, let's hit it. First off, I just want to say that all of these lights are pretty much becoming one and the same exact thing. I just went with Godox because I've been using the SL60W for like all of my videos. And at the time of purchasing these were like the newest lights on the market. And I just haven't had any reason to upgrade or get more or do any of that kind of stuff since. So like I said, I went with Godox and we went with the ML60Bi color light. Like, dude, look how small these are. It's almost like a soda can. See, I don't have much more room in my car for cases, so my cases are limited. So having 2 of these with all their accessories fit into 1 case was absolutely essential for me. And the second most important thing for me was Bluetooth connectivity, because nothing's worse than when you set your light up and then you got to pull it back down, adjust the settings, put it back up, see how it is, rinse and repeat. It's just the worst. Also, the app is really easy and straightforward to use as well, so W's all around. The 3rd reason I got these lights, I didn't even realize before I got them how essential this is going to be, and that was the bicolor. Like, being able to match the colors of the string lights to kind of make those look like practicals, just so money, dude. And hey, don't think that 60 watts is not enough, because with 2 of these like I have, the last wedding I shot, they were on a stage for speeches and they're like, oh, the lighting's gonna be great. I still added my lights and actually added so much more to the final image. The 4th reason was kind of a sneaky one, and that is how long these power cables are. I mean, I have the fattest Sony NPF batteries that I put on those things, so I typically don't have to worry about battery life, but sometimes those dads be talking, and then we don't have to worry about it when they're plugged in. So yeah, not essential, but really nice bonus. And the 5th, honestly, is an affordable price. At the time of recording, one of these lights is $250, so you could get both of those lights for $500 or less than a lens. I know we're always excited to get lenses and stuff, but these lights are gonna make the lenses you already have look so much better. I really only use these during speeches and first dances, maybe for a couple songs at the beginning of the open dance floor, but that's only if people are dancing with them on. Like, I'll turn them off if it's not the vibe. And listen, sometimes I really gotta start using these for grand entrances too, because people love going from outside to inside and exposing from outside to inside with daytime outside and then all the vintage lights inside. So it's a nightmare. So that's it. I hope you can see the potential you can achieve by only adding 2 lights. I mean, you could add more if you want. I'm just limited with my car space. But let me know what you rock in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. And check out the playlist, because in the next video, we're gonna dive into all of the bags and cases I use to hold all the gear that we've gone over so far.